Oh, dang! Hey everyone! Merry Christmas! And welcome to another video where I'm on a boat. We're at a dock, and all my friends are here, but one I'm not allowed to show on the internet. So I'm just gonna put this down so it doesn't face my friend who's not going on, who can't go on the internet. Okay, now I passed him. Okay, we're heading to my room, and you're not gonna believe what I got for Christmas. A PS4. A PS4. I will not believe this. Cannot believe this. We're gonna do PS4 videos. Gonna start with 2K18 and wrestling 2K18, WWE 2K18, whatever you want to call it. And then we're gonna progress into more and more videos, more and more video games. So hopefully we'll reach 1,000 subscribers by the time we hit our 100th our 100th video game play. So I'll catch you on the next video. Goodbye.